Students, today in this session we will discuss close packing in crystals, that is packing of spheres. At first, packing in one dimension. In one dimension, one row of spheres is assembled. Spheres in one row are assembled with each other. Please look here carefully. It is packing in one dimension. Now students, coordination number. Coordination number is the number of spheres directly surrounding a given sphere in the crystal. It is clear this sphere is surrounded by two neighboring spheres, one on right side and one on left side. In one dimension, coordination number is 2. Please look here how many spheres are in direct contact with this sphere. One on right and one on left. Coordination number. Number of spheres directly surrounding a given sphere. Next is packing percentage, students. Percentage of the total space occupied by the spheres. Percentage of the total space occupied by the spheres, it is called packing percentage, and we find it by using the formula. It's equal to volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon total volume of unit cell, a cube into z into 100, where z depends upon the given crystal system. You know, if it is simple cubic, there is only one particle. How many particles are present per unit cell in simple cubic structure? 1. How many particles are present per unit cell in BCC system? You know, 2. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. In FCC system, there are 4 particles. Z depends upon the given system. If it is simple cubic, we put 1. For BCC, we put 2. And for FCC, we put 4. After this, students, next is packing in 2 dimensions. Packing in 2 dimensions. When spheres are stacked with each other, a 2-dimensional close packed structure is formed. This stacking of spheres can be done in 2 different ways. One is square close packing and second is hexagonal close packing, HCP. At first, one is square close packing. Spheres are stacked with each other. A 2-dimensional close packed structure is formed. Friends, please look here. In square close packing, spheres in second row, they are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. Spheres in second row are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. That is, second row is identical with the first row. Second row is exactly same as that of the first row. It is called square close packing. Spheres in second row are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. Now please, how many spheres are in direct contact with this sphere? 1 on right, 1 on left, 1 upper sphere and 1 lower sphere, 4. It means coordination number in this case is 4. What is coordination number? 4. SCP in 2 dimension 4. And packing percentage is 52.4%. Again, please look here, square close packing. That is, spheres in second row, they are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. You can also assemble this at home in the same way. When rows are stacked with each other, a 2-dimensional close packed structure is formed. Now student, it is clear how many spheres are surrounding this sphere. 1 on right, 1 on left, 1 on upper row and 1 on lower row. That is, coordination number is 4. It is called square close packing. You know, square has 4 edges. Only you have to mention this. In this, spheres in second row are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. It is called AAAA arrangement. Same pattern is repeat. That is, second row is same as the first row. It is called AAAA arrangement. The coordination number in this case is 4 and packing percentage is 52.4%. Percentage of the total occupied space, it is called packing percentage. That's the first way in 2 dimension, that is square close packing. Spheres in second row are placed exactly above the spheres of first row. It is called AAAA arrangement. Similar rows repeat again. Second is students HCP, hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension. At first, assemble a first row of spheres. Students, in HCP, spheres in second row are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. ये जो गड्ढे दिखाई दे रहे हैं are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. It means second row is different from the first row. Spheres in second row, new row, are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. Similarly, this will come on this way. Now please students, this is called AB arrangement. The second row is different from the first row, but the alternate rows, they are identical, first, third, fifth, second, fourth. It is called AB arrangement. Please look here carefully. What is the coordination number of this sphere? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Coordination number for HCP in 2 dimension, it is 6, and packing percentage is 60.4%. More space in this case is occupied since coordination number is more. HCP in 2 dimension. Now students, please look here carefully. I am going to design HCP in 2 dimension. That is, spheres in second row are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. Please practice the same at home. Spheres in second row are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. This pattern will happen. What we call it? AB arrangement. Students, what is the coordination number of this sphere? It is clear how many spheres are directly surrounding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. HCP in 2 dimension. At first, you will give some introduction, that is, in these spheres in second row are placed in depressions of the spheres of first row. Second row is different from first row. It is called AB arrangement. Coordination number in this case is 6 and packing percentage is 60.4%. It is called AB arrangement. Packing in 2 dimension. When rows are stacked with each other, 2 dimension close packing is found. This stacking of row proceed in 2 different ways. One is SCP. Square means it has 4 edges. It means coordination number 4 direct. Hexa means 6. Coordination number is 6. After this, next students, packing of spheres in 3 dimension. Packing in 3 dimension. Before doing packing in 3 dimension, at first we will discuss types of voids. Types of void, students. In the close packing of spheres, unoccupied space is called void or hole. Please look here again carefully. We proceed for close packing in 2 dimension. One was SCP and second was HCP. HCP is preferred, students. In HCP, packing percentage 60.4%. It is more. It is more efficient. HCP is more efficient. It is HCP in 2 dimension. A pattern, B pattern, A pattern, again B pattern. AB arrangement. It is called HCP, hexagonal close packing. Students, this unoccupied space present between the spheres, what we call it, void. It is clear, student, this void is found when 3 spheres come in contact with each other. Please look here, this vacant space. It is called trigonal void. Void present at the center of 3 spheres. It is again trigonal void. It is again trigonal void. HCP 2 dimension, it showed only trigonal voids. TP is above and in alternate TP is below. But this void is found when three spheres come in contact with each other. Void present at the center of three spheres. It is trigonal void. What is void? Unoccupied space present between the spheres. Voids or holes. Voids or holes in the crystals, these are also called interstices. First, trigonal void, it is clear, students. Second, tetrahedral void. It is the void present at the center of four spheres. Means coordination number in this case is 4. When four spheres come in contact with each other, the unoccupied space present, it is called tetrahedral void. The last one is octahedral void. It is present at the center of 6 spheres. And in this case, the possible coordination number is 6. Now students, please look here. Trigonal void, it is clear. Void present at the center of 3 spheres. These all are trigonal voids. Now I am assembling second layer of spheres. I am assembling second layer of spheres. Please look here carefully. For your knowledge, please practice the same at home. Because we are proceeding packing in 3 dimension, at first we will assemble second layer. When we assemble second layer of spheres over the voids of first layer, this pattern we got. Students, we got this pattern. Now please look here. The unoccupied space present between the spheres, these are called voids. Two type of voids are there. This one, tip is above, it is tetrahedral void. Void present at the center of 4 spheres. 3 of second layer and 1 of first layer. 4 spheres are there, students. It is tetrahedral void. It is again tetrahedral void. Void present at the center of 4 spheres. It is clear. 1, 2, 3. 3 spheres of second layer. And first layer it has 1 sphere. Total 4 spheres. Unoccupied space present between the center of 4 spheres. In this case, coordination number is 4. Please look here again, students. It is called tetrahedral void. Void present at the center of 4 spheres. Next, students, इसके alternate देखना. Tip is above, it is tetrahedral void. Tip is below, students, it is octahedral void. Void present at the center of 6 spheres. Please look here carefully. 1, 2, 3. 3 spheres of second layer and 3 spheres of first layer. It is octahedral void. Similar again, please look here, it is octahedral void. Void present at the center of 6 spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tip is below. It is octahedral void. It is tetrahedral void. Again tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. It is octahedral void. 3 types of voids. First is trigonal void. It was formed in HCP in 2 dimension. Tetrahedral and octahedral void. When we proceed for packing in 3 dimension, that is we assemble second layer, we go 2 type of voids. Tetrahedral and these are octahedral. Octahedral void present at the center of 6 spheres. Unoccupied space, these students. Now please, the difference between tetrahedral and octahedral void is also in your syllabus. Do it in your notebook. At least mention 4 points. Tetrahedral void, students, it is found when 4 spheres come in contact with each other. Octahedral void, it is found when 6 spheres come in contact with each other. Second point, coordination number is 4, coordination number is 6. We have to mention 4 points. We break it in 2 points. Third, tetrahedral void is smaller than the octahedral void. Tetrahedral void is smaller than the octahedral void. Octahedral void is larger than tetrahedral void. 4 point, you have to mention 4 point at least. Students, there are 2 tetrahedral voids per sphere. Please look here, it is tetrahedral void. When I assemble third layer, if I assemble third layer, it is again tetrahedral void. One in lower layer and second in upper layer. There are 2 tetrahedral voids per sphere. It is octahedral void. If I cover it, it means it is covered. There is only 1 octahedral void per sphere. Again, for difference, please note and forward me on my WhatsApp number. That's homework for you, 94595 Distinguish tetrahedral and octahedral void. Tetrahedral void is found when 4 spheres come in contact with each other. Octahedral void is found when 6 spheres come in contact with each other. Coordination number is 4, coordination number is 6. Tetrahedral void is smaller than octahedral void. Octahedral void is larger than tetrahedral void. There are 2 tetrahedral voids per sphere. There is only one octahedral void per sphere. Friends, there are 2 tetrahedral void. One in layer below and one in layer above. It is tetrahedral void, friends. If I assemble here, again tetrahedral void. Now that's the question again for your assignment. In a closed packing of n spheres, how many tetrahedral voids are there and how many octahedral voids are present? If in the closed packing there are 100 spheres, students, tetrahedral voids are 200, twice the number of spheres. There are 2 tetrahedral voids per sphere. And the number of octahedral voids same as the number of spheres. When there are 100 spheres, total 300 voids are present. Out of these, 200 twice are tetrahedral and 100 are octahedral. Please answer. In the closed packing of n sphere, how many tetrahedral and octahedral voids are present? If the concept of tetrahedral and octahedral void is clear, then you can easily do packing in 3 dimensions. Packing of spheres in 3 dimensions. Proceed in 2 different ways. One is HCP in 3 dimensions and second is CCP in 3 dimensions. Students, for HCP, the code word is T and for CCP, the code word is O. HCP in 3 dimensions. What is the code word? T. It is formed by arranging third layer of spheres. We are proceeding for 3 dimensions. We will assemble third layer. Formed by arranging third layer of spheres over tetrahedral voids of second layer. It is called AB arrangement. Packing percent is 74% and coordination number is 12. Now please clear your concept. 2 types of voids are formed. HCP in 3 dimensions. What is the code word? T. That is, it is formed by assembling third layer of spheres over the tetrahedral void. It is tetrahedral void. I assemble third layer on it. It is again tetrahedral void. I assemble third layer on it. Students, it is tetrahedral void. I assemble third layer on it. It is a first layer, it is second layer and it is third layer. But the third layer is same as that of the first layer. So we call it AB arrangement. Hexagonal closed packing in 3 dimensions is formed by arranging third layer of spheres over the tetrahedral voids. Only you have to do this. You don't have to mention packing in 3 dimensions, but you have to give some introduction of HCP in 3 dimensions. Only you will mention formed by arranging third layer of spheres over tetrahedral void. The code word for HCP in 3 dimensions is T, students. It is AB arrangement. Packing percent is 74% and coordination number 12. Packing percent is 74% and coordination number 12. It is HCP in 3 dimensions. Third layer over the tetrahedral void, students. AB pattern. Same layer was formed. A layer was again repeated. That's first layer A, second B. If I cover tetrahedral voids, please look here again. These are tetrahedral voids. The same A layer is again repeated. Now second is CCP in 3 dimensions. For CCP, the code word is O. That is CCP in 3 dimensions. CCP in 3 dimensions is formed by arranging third layer of spheres over octahedral voids. Only you have to delete tetrahedral for CCP and mention octahedral voids. It is called ABC arrangement, students. It is called ABC arrangement. Packing fraction, packing percentage and coordination number same as that of HCP. Packing percentage 74% and coordination number 12. Now look here. CCP in 3 dimensions. It is formed by arranging third layer of spheres over the octahedral void. Students, you know these are octahedral voids. Octahedral void is present at the center of 6 spheres. Now please, it is clear, third layer is assembled. A pattern, B pattern, it is new pattern, we call it C pattern. It is again octahedral void. It is CCP in 3 dimensions. Formed by arranging third layer of spheres over the octahedral voids. It is called ABC arrangement. Packing percentage same students 74% and coordination number 12. Students, coordination number is 12. Each sphere in three-dimensional arrangement has contact with 6 spheres in its own layer. 6 spheres of its own layer and 3 spheres each in the lower and in the upper layer. 6, 3, 9 and 3, 12. Coordination number is 12. Students, the CCP arrangement, it is equivalent to FCC. CCP in 3 dimension, it is equivalent to FCC, face centered cubic arrangement, because there is one sphere in each of the 6 faces of the cube. At first it is FCC, student, particle at corner plus 1 at the center of each face. The alternate face to this is this one. It is the front face and it is the back face. CCP is equivalent to FCC. Please look here. There is one sphere in each of the 6 faces. That's the first face. That's the second face. That's the third face. That's the fourth face. That's the front 5th face. And that's the back 6th face. CCP equivalent to FCC. That's all with respect to packing of spheres in 3 dimension. Thank you.